Panay, Davao Oriental.
Join us here, Nina.
Nina, what a run this has been for you. I'm sure talagang proud na proud sa iyo ang mga taga Mindanao. We have seen you grow as well. This entire journey has been a huge impact, not only for you, I'm sure, but for the entire province. Baka gusto mo lang din pasalamatan yung mga sumusuporta sa iyo.
Thank you so much. I'm sorry I got emotional because it is my dream to be Miss International Queen. Well, thank you so much, supporters, especially my handlers, my fans, and my two brothers, and especially God for guiding me. And I want to give some message to everyone that go ahead. This is not only my dream. It is my best friend dream who passed away last month. She is Rona Lopez. And if she's there, looking to me right now, we are this. I want to be more than this. I want to be Miss International Queen Philippines or Miss International Queen. Thank you.
Well, best of luck to you, Nina, and to the rest of Mindanao. Pick one envelope and I'm gonna read the question for you. Let's move here at the center stage. I will read the question twice. Okay, Nina, this is the question. If your 5-year-old self is in front of you now, what would you tell her about your current evolution? I will repeat. If your 5-year-old self is in front of you now, what would you tell her about your current evolution?
I would tell her 5 years from now is I am the embodiment of a new meaning of life. And my purpose here is to find the meaning and to fulfill it. This platform is one of my steps toward reaching my goal for this destiny, which I will decide. We deserve love, admired, and inspired. Thank you so much.
Maraming salamat, Queen Nina Marie Sibilagan.
Thank you, Nina!
Now we move on this time to Manila, Queen Julian Concepcion. Julian, you truly are a sight to behold. Very queenly talaga yung atake ni Julian. No? And you know, it just goes to show na yung suporta does come a long way. We have seen and we have heard just how much support you've been getting this entire competition. And we truly are impressed sa lahat ng mga nandyan sa likod mo. Kaya baka naman meron ka rin mensahe para sa kanila.
My message to those who supported me, especially right now, I just wanted to say that I will be forever grateful to you. I was once a girl who always doubt myself, and now I am here because of you. Just know that I will forever grateful to all of you. Thank you.
Alright. Such a confident and grateful queen.
Here we go, Julian. I have 2 envelopes in my hand. I would like you to choose one, please. Julian, you have 45 seconds to answer. I will be asking you your question twice. Question goes like this. What for you is the relevance of the very fast-growing AI technology to our MIQ PH crown? What for you is the relevance of the very fast-growing AI technology to our MIQ PH crown?
For me, the relevance of AI in the Miss International Queen Philippines is that our life made easier. Just like me, as an aspiring queen who always doubt myself with the help of other people that I know online. I think I will never be here, especially for them. Thank you.
Julian, thank you
Thank
so
you
much.
very much, Julian. Best of luck to you. All right. 2 contestants down, 1 to go for this dreaded portion of the competition. Last but definitely not the least, Miss Sofia Arcangel from Laguna.
Sophia, congratulations for making it this far. You have won a lot of the awards starting off from the beginning of the pageant. I just want to know, does having all of these awards so early on in the pageant give you the confidence boost? Mas nakakagana ba ito? Or mas nakaka-nervyos knowing na malakas or malaki ang expectation sa'yo?
Of course, it made me more confident because last year I just made it on the semi-finalists and now I can't believe I am here in the top 3. And I just want to thank every one of you, especially those who are believing in me, that even though I failed in my first try, I am here and you are there still supporting me.
Diba? Importante ang suporta sa lahat ng mga bagay na ginagawa natin. Alright. Sophia, I only have 1 envelope with me. And this will be your question. Again, you will have 45 seconds to answer this question and I will read the final question twice. This is your question. If you win, how would you use your MIQ PH crown to unite our trans community locally and globally? Again, if you win, how would you use your MIQ PH crown to unite our trans community locally and globally?
If I win tonight, I will use my crown through my voice as a part of the trans community. And as a comeback queen who has fully reached her ultimate evolution, I'd like to champion causes like this and work with our organization and with the government. Make sure that our voice are being heard and our visibility are being seen. And through this, may it prove to everybody that we are a worthy representation of the fine human beings that we are. Trans women who has the heart and purpose to be of service, not only here in the Philippines, but to the whole world. Thank you.
Such a